What are helminths? Helminth is a general term meaning worm. The helminths are invertebrates characterized by elongated, flat, or round bodies. Helminths are parasitic worms that can infect humans and other animals. When these worms get into the human body, they can cause parasitic infection, which appears as intestinal worms. This infection is known as helminthiasis or worm infection. This infection can be acquired from soil which is contaminated by stool of animals or humans. This can get under the nails and enter the body when we are eating with unclean hands. Undercooked meat can also be a reason for worm infestation because some worms lay eggs inside the liver or muscles of cattle, pigs, and certain shrimps. Some people with helminthiasis have no symptoms, but as the infection becomes severe, people may experience abdominal symptoms including diarrhea and vomiting. Intestinal worms are treatable, but the condition can lead to physical and cognitive growth problems if left untreated.
Now that we know what helminths are and the causes and effects of their infection, we will then discuss how to treat and prevent a helminth infection. The most important step to avoiding the infection is to practice proper hygiene, drink clean bottled water when traveling, and also other means of prevention such as periodical deworming, health education, and improved sanitation to reduce soil contamination with infective eggs. For treatment when you get the infection, the World Health Organization recommends periodic medicinal treatment such as deworming, and they also recommended medicines such as albendazole and mebendazole, which are very effective and inexpensive and is easy to administer by non-medical personnel.
In the Philippines, soil-transmitted helminthiasis, which is caused by common roundworms, whipworms, and hookworms, is still a public health concern, with an estimated 1.5 billion individuals afflicted. Commonly, soil-transmitted helminth is a parasitic helminth that affects poorer areas with little access to clean water, sanitation, and hygiene. People with infection usually have no symptoms, but invasive infection can result in a variety of health issues. And here are some programs organized by DOH which can help us. The Integrated Helminth Control Program, currently implemented in the country, which is focused on improved sanitation and personal hygiene, health education, and preventive chemotherapy. Next is National Deworming Month. The department, in partnership with schools and local government units, are distributing anti-helminthic drugs during the National Deworming Month. A twice-a-year campaign held during the months of January and July, the National Deworming Month is done by synchronizing the schedules of Mass Drug Administration for soil-transmitted helminths in the schools and the community.
Let us continue to raise awareness and demand programs that is focused on improved sanitation and personal hygiene, as well as health education. Together, let's stop helminth infection for the safety and well-being of our people.